Best Luxury Small Car for 2025 to 2024 Alfa Romeo Giulia. As the automotive industry gears up for 2025, the 2024 Alfa Romeo Giulia has been named the best luxury small car of the year. This accolade highlights the Giulia's exceptional combination of Italian design, advanced technology, and exhilarating performance, setting it apart in the competitive luxury compact segment. Striking design and high-quality interior. The 2024 Alfa Romeo Giulia captivates with its bold and distinctive design. Its aggressive front grille, sleek LED headlights, and aerodynamic lines create a dynamic and upscale appearance. The Giulia's low, wide stance and sculpted body emphasize its sporty character and Italian craftsmanship. Inside, the Giulia offers a luxurious and driver-focused cabin. High-quality materials, including premium leather upholstery and carbon fiber accents, enhance the vehicle's upscale feel. The front seats are designed for both comfort and support, featuring multiple adjustments and heating functions. The rear seats provide ample space, ensuring a comfortable experience for all passengers. Advanced technology and connectivity. The 2024 Giulia is equipped with a suite of advanced technology features designed to enhance convenience and connectivity. The centerpiece is an 8.8-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing for seamless smartphone integration. This system provides easy access to navigation, media, and vehicle settings. Additional tech features include a customizable 7-inch digital instrument cluster, offering essential driving information at a glance. The Giulia also offers an available Harman Kardon premium audio system, providing an immersive listening experience. Performance and handling. The Giulia delivers a thrilling driving experience with its powerful engine options. The base model features a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, producing 280 horsepower and 306 lb-ft of torque. For those seeking more performance, the Giulia Quadrifoglio offers a 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6 engine with 505 horsepower and 443 lb-ft of torque. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, delivering smooth and responsive acceleration. The Giulia's rear-wheel drive layout and precise handling ensure a dynamic driving experience. Safety and driver assistance. Safety is a key focus in the 2024 Giulia, which includes a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features. Standard technologies include adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and lane keeping assist, contributing to a safer driving experience. Conclusion. The 2024 Alfa Romeo Giulia stands out as the best luxury small car for 2025, offering a perfect blend of striking design, advanced technology, and exhilarating performance. Its Italian flair, luxurious interior, and engaging driving dynamics make it a top choice for luxury compact car enthusiasts.